Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath and let your mind wander to a place of tranquility and peace. Imagine the gentle rustling of leaves and the soft chirping of birds in the background. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and the cool breeze that carries the scent of blooming flowers. Imagine stepping out your back door into a vibrant garden. Each step you take is a journey into a world of natural beauty and serenity. The path beneath your feet is lined with lush greenery, and as you walk, you can hear the crunch of gravel and the rustle of leaves. The air is filled with the scent of herbs and the buzzing of bees. Lavender, rosemary, and mint release their fragrances, creating a symphony of scents that invigorate your senses. Bees flit from flower to flower, their industrious buzzing a reminder of the life and energy that fills this space. Colorful flowers bloom, attracting butterflies. Petals in every shade of the rainbow sway gently in the breeze, and butterflies dance from blossom to blossom, their delicate wings adding a touch of magic to the scene. Each flower is a masterpiece, painted by nature's hand. You bend down to pick a ripe tomato, still warm from the sun. The fruit is plump and juicy, a testament to the care and attention you've given your garden. As you hold it in your hand, you can feel the connection to the earth and the satisfaction of growing your own food. This is the magic of gardening. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature. It's a space where you can find peace and fulfillment, where the simple act of tending to plants can bring immense joy and satisfaction. It can be your reality. With a little effort and dedication, you can create a garden that reflects your personality and brings you happiness. Whether you have a small balcony or a sprawling backyard, the possibilities are endless. So why not start today and cultivate a garden of your own? Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a passion that brings joy and fulfillment to many. When you garden, you are not just planting seeds in the soil, you are planting seeds of happiness and well-being in your life. It's a way to connect with nature. The feel of the earth in your hands, the scent of fresh blooms, and the sight of vibrant greenery all around you create a sensory experience that is both grounding and uplifting. Gardening allows you to become one with the natural world, fostering a deep sense of peace and contentment. It's a source of exercise and stress relief. The physical activity involved in gardening, from digging and planting to weeding and watering, provides a full-body workout that can improve your strength, flexibility, and endurance. At the same time, the repetitive, mindful tasks of gardening can help to calm your mind and reduce stress, making it a perfect way to unwind after a long day. Imagine stepping into your garden and feeling your worries melt away. The tranquil environment of a garden, with its soothing sounds, pleasant aromas, and beautiful sights, can create a sanctuary where you can escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Whether you are sitting on a garden bench, enjoying the view, or simply taking a leisurely stroll among the flowers, your garden can be a place of relaxation and rejuvenation. Gardening also provides fresh, healthy food for your table. Growing your own fruits, vegetables, and herbs ensures that you have access to the freshest, most nutritious produce possible. Homegrown food is often more flavorful and nutrient-dense than store-bought options, and it can be incredibly satisfying to harvest and enjoy the fruits of your labor. You know exactly where your food comes from. When you grow your own food, you have complete control over the growing process, from the seeds you plant to the methods you use to care for your crops. This means you can avoid harmful pesticides and chemicals, ensuring that your food is as healthy and natural as possible. You can grow your food without harmful chemicals by using organic gardening practices such as composting, natural pest control, and crop rotation. You can create a sustainable and eco-friendly garden that is good for both you and the environment. Organic gardening not only produces healthier food, but also helps to protect the soil, water, and wildlife in your area. This is good for you and the planet. Gardening can have a positive impact on your health, your well-being, and the environment. By growing your own food, you can reduce your carbon footprint, support biodiversity, and contribute to a more sustainable future. Plus, sharing the bounty of your garden with family and friends can strengthen your connections and create a sense of community. So, why garden? Because it enriches your life in countless ways, bringing beauty, joy, and nourishment to your world. You don't need fancy equipment to start gardening. In fact, some of the most successful gardens are cultivated with just a few essential tools. Whether you're planting a small herb garden on your windowsill or planting a larger vegetable plot in your backyard, The right tools can make all the difference. Let's explore some of the must-have items that every budding gardener should consider. A few basic tools will do. You don't need to break the bank to get started. A simple set of tools can help you accomplish most gardening tasks efficiently. Start with the basics and gradually expand your collection as you become more experienced and your garden grows. A trowel is essential for digging and planting. This small hand tool is perfect for transplanting seedlings, digging small holes, and even weeding. Look for a trowel with a comfortable grip and a sturdy blade. It's a versatile tool that you'll find yourself reaching for time and time again. Protect your hands with a good pair of gardening gloves. Gardening can be tough on your hands with thorns, splinters, and rough soil. A durable pair of gloves will keep your hands safe and clean. Choose gloves that fit well and are made from breathable material to keep your hands comfortable during long gardening sessions. A watering can is a must-have for keeping your plants hydrated. Proper watering is crucial for plant health, and a good watering can allow you to control the flow and direction of water. Look for a can with a detachable rose for gentle watering of delicate plants and seedlings. Invest in quality soil. It's the foundation of a healthy garden. Good soil provides essential nutrients and supports root growth. Consider using a mix of compost and topsoil to create a rich, fertile environment for your plants. Regularly amending your soil with organic matter will keep it healthy and productive. Consider raised garden beds. They offer good drainage and are easier on your back. Raised beds can be filled with high-quality soil, making it easier to control the growing environment. They also help to keep pests at bay and can extend your growing season by warming up earlier in the spring. Plus, they add a neat and organized look to your garden space. Another useful tool is a hoe. It's great for breaking up soil, removing weeds, and creating furrows for planting seeds. There are different types of hoes, so choose one that suits your gardening style and the tasks you need to perform. Pruning shears are indispensable for maintaining the health and appearance of your plants. Use them to trim dead or overgrown branches, shape shrubs, and harvest fruits and vegetables. A good pair of shears will make clean cuts, reducing the risk of disease and promoting healthy growth. A garden fork is another valuable tool. It's perfect for turning and aerating soil, mixing in compost, and breaking up clumps. A sturdy garden fork can make these tasks much easier and more efficient. Don't forget about a wheelbarrow. It's incredibly useful for transporting soil, compost, plants, and other materials around your garden. A wheelbarrow can save you a lot of time and effort, especially if you have a larger garden. Lastly, a rake is essential for keeping your garden tidy. Use it to gather leaves, smooth out soil, and remove debris. A good rake will help you maintain a neat and organized garden space. With these essential tools, you'll be well equipped to start your gardening journey. Remember, gardening is a learning process, and as you gain experience, you'll discover which tools work best for you. Happy gardening! Start with easy-to-grow plants. Marigolds and zinnias add cheerful color to your garden. Sunflowers reach for the sky and attract pollinators. Tomatoes are a rewarding crop. You can enjoy them fresh or use them in sauces. Lettuce and cucumbers are also easy to grow. They are delicious in salads. Gardening is a wonderful way to practice sustainability. Compost your kitchen scraps. It enriches the soil and reduces waste. Collect rainwater in barrels. Use it to water your plants. Choose native plants. They are adapted to your local climate and require less water. Even experienced gardeners make mistakes. Overwatering is a common problem. It can suffocate plant roots. Feel the soil before watering. Water only when the soil is dry to the touch. Planting too close together is another mistake. Give your plants enough space to grow. Don't neglect pest control. Check your plants regularly for signs of pests or diseases. Gardening is a journey of learning and growth. As you care for your plants, you'll find yourself caring for your well-being too. Spending time outdoors in the fresh air is invigorating. The physical activity of gardening keeps you moving. Watching your garden thrive brings a sense of accomplishment. Gardening teaches patience and persistence. Not everything will grow perfectly the first time. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Learn from your mistakes and try again. The rewards of gardening are worth the effort. You don't need a green thumb to start gardening. All you need is a love of nature and a willingness to learn. Start small and experiment. Choose plants that excite you. Enjoy the process. Soon, you'll be harvesting your own fresh produce and enjoying the beauty of a garden you created.